Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to unbox a Michael Kors AVA extra small crossbody luggage collar bag and MK Mott small wallet dark fawn collar. So let's open it. So here included a small envelope. Inside you can find the instructions for returns and also the sticker for the return waybill in case you'd like to return your order. Alright, so this is the box of the card case wallet. Let's open it. The box is in white color. Alright, so let's have a look inside. Okay, so this is the card case wallet and it is in dark fawn color. The dimensions are 4.5 by 3 by 1. It has a silica gel inside and it is still tied in the box. Alright, so let's remove it and let's have a closer look. So it is made of pebbled 100% leather with a pale gold tone MK logo hardware in the front, and there are 2 front card slots and also 2 in the back. It has a gold tone zipper with a Michael Kors engraved. So this is the back of the card case, and let's have a look inside. So it has a center zip pocket and 4 card slots inside. The lining is made of 100% polyester. So I'm checking here the inside of the wallet. Okay, so there you go. The other card slot, and it has a Michael Kors logo inside printed. This is the tag for the MK Mott dark fawn coin card case. There's also a care card instruction included where you can read on how to take good care of your leather wallet and bags. So let's remove the paper cards inside. So I am checking the outer linings if there are any damages in the product or scratches. So far it's good and okay. So let's take a look of the zipper of the coin pocket. So you can put small amount of coins so it will not be bulky. Alright, so all in all, it is a chic and compact card case wallet where you can just insert or put inside your tote, clutch, or your crossbody bag. So let's put it back in the box and let's go ahead to the MK AVA extra small crossbody bag that I have here. So let's remove it from the plastic. So I bought this from Michael Kors EU website. They have a Black Friday sale extended. Some bags are actually in 50% discount, but this one is not. But I bought it with a good deal enough. So this is the AVA extra small crossbody bag, and it is in luggage or dark brown color, and the dimensions are 8 by 5.25 by 3. Alright, so let's compare it with the box that I have here. So as you can see, it is just a little bigger than the box, and it has the same length with my hand span. Alright, so let's just remove the packaging so that we can take a look of the features that it has. Alright, so it has a handle drop with 4 inches length, and on the back it has a slit pocket, and also this is where you can put the adjustable strap. The adjustable strap is 21 to 24 inches length. So let's take a look inside. By the way, it has a Michael Kors logo in the front here. Okay, so let's remove the plastics and papers inside so that we can have a closer look of the inside. Alright, so the interior details, it has a zip pocket and a Michael Kors logo in the front of the zip pocket. Alright, so let's open the zip pocket, and then the lining is made of 100% polyester. Also includes a care card. Okay, so you can put your card keys or coins or cards there, and it has buttons on the sides so that in case you have a lot of things to put in. But yeah, it is just a very small bag, so not much can fit in. So this is the slit pocket in the back, and the MK logo. So it is made of 100% Saffiano leather. So this is the closer look of the Saffiano leather. So I'm checking here if there are any scratches or damages in the product. Okay, so let's try if the iPhone 7 Plus will fit in the slit pocket. Okay, so it won't fit, so smaller size phones can fit in the back slit pocket. Okay, so let's try to put it in the inside the bag, and let's see if or how many items can fit it. So I put my phone in, and let's try to put in the card, keys, wallet here. So yeah, it's still spacious. You can still put your keys there, and also some cards in the zip pocket. Okay, so let's try to remove the adjustable strap, and let's put it in the handles so that we can try on and take a look. Okay, so I am now putting on the adjustable straps. So the length is 21 to 24 inches. So it depends on how tall or how small you are. So you can adjust it according to your size. Okay, so this is where you can put it. Okay. Alright, so this is how it would look with the adjustable strap. Right, so let me just fix. Also, this is the tag of the MK AVA crossbody bag, the luggage or dark brown color. And also there's an open pocket on the side. So this is the open pocket. You can put some of your papers, small bills there. Okay, so let's have a closer look of the inside. Alright, so that's it. It's just a cute and tiny bag, which is your go-to. Alright, so this is what it looks like when you are using the straps, or you're carrying it with a handle like that. So let's try it on. So I'm only a 5'1" inches tall, and my body build is medium size. So I didn't adjust the straps. So normally this is the length. Okay. So this is what it looks like in the front. Yeah. Or you can also carry it without the straps. What I like is the handle drop actually. Okay. So it's also easy to fasten. It has a magnetic snap fastening. Alright. Okay. So it's a very comfy and a very cute go-to bag that you will have. Alright, so let's try to wear it using a small handle bag or like a clutch bag. So let's try to remove the straps and let's see how we can wear it. So you can wear it like this. There you go. You can hold it like this one. Yeah, so this is the back and in the front. Yeah, so it's a really cute bag and tiny bag. Yeah, so you can wear it like this one if you like it. Also you can wear it like a clutch, like your clutch purse, like this. Yeah, so all in all, it's like a beautiful, sophisticated, cute bag, and there are actually 3 colors for this bag. AVA Saffiano leather crossbody. There are red, black, and this color, the luggage or the dark brown paperback color. So yeah, it's a really cute and a go-to handbag that you will have. Okay, so I think that's all for this video, and if you want to watch more videos of us, please don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to our channel for more videos. See you in our next video. Goodbye.